Welcome to this documentary that closely explores the impact of plastic on our bodies of water and therefore on our health. Immerse yourself in an informative journey that examines how the ubiquitous presence of plastics affects aquatic ecosystem and directly and indirectly present use with worrying challenge to our own health. Discover the connections between plastic pollution and its consequences and how our individual and collective actions can be the key to reversing this growing environmental threat. Plastic pollution is an urgent problem that we must address. The annual entry of millions of tons of plastics into our oceans and rivers has devastating repercussions for both marine life and the quality of the water that is part of our food chain. Awareness of this environmental challenge is crucial to driving actions that preserve the health of our aquatic ecosystems and ultimately that of our planet.
The breakdown of plastics into microplastics threatens the health of marine life and the global food chain. These contaminated particles affect fish and aquatic organisms, accumulating and potentially reaching our tables. We urgently address plastic pollution to preserve marine biodiversity and our own of health.
The infiltration of microplastic into freshwater sources poses a significant challenge of the preservation of the environment and human health. Recent research highlights the constant presence of the tiny contaminants in the water supply we use in our daily lives, generating an urgent need to address this problem from various perspectives to mitigate their long-term impacts.
Plastic pollution goes beyond the environmental impact, economically affecting sectors such as fishing and tourism. Poor plastic waste management implies additional costs for communities and governments, generating a significant financial burden. In fishing, plastic threatens sustainability and jails, while in tourism, plastic pollution discourages visitors, negatively affecting the local economy. The urgency of sustainable practices in plastic waste management is crucial to preserve economic and environmental stability.
Despite the challenge posed by plastic pollution, we have the ability to drive positive change, reducing the use of plastic and promoting proper waste management emerge as crucial measures. Awareness and collective action become essential to effectively address this problem and preserve the health of our aquatic ecosystems. At this crucial time, determination and sustained action are imperative to forge a healthier and more sustainable future.
In short, the plastic problem leaves a devastating impact on our bodies of water, the health of oceans and rivers. However, through collective efforts, there is an opportunity to reverse this negative trend and safeguard this precious ecosystem for generations to come. The urgency of action becomes evident. It is the right time to unite and undertake concrete and action that promote sustainability and environmental preservation. Together we can make a difference and leave a legacy of resilience for our aquatic environment and the future well-being of our planet. The call to action is now more imperative than ever.